Here we are at Estate Antigua, Unit 42, and we're putting the final touches on our remodel. Let's go in and take a look right before staging comes in and see how it's turned out. Beautiful kitchen, dual ovens, wine fridge, tons of storage. We're doing some touch up with the paint. Sorry about the view. You can imagine. Master. Dual shower. Dual sinks. Amazing closet. And dual commodes. Again, dual sinks, nice shower. Again, this is the second master, the big party room. Over 4,000 square foot in this house. Small bedroom or office here with a little patio. This house will be on market by the end of the month. I'm ready for your viewing pleasure.